Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna look into a stock review after a long time. So you all know that I have been choosing some of very good performing stocks and which are apt for long-term investment in my wealth creating series. So this is the next stock in my wealth creating series. This stock has given us a return of 60% for 1 year. So we'll get in and see which stock is this which has given us a return of 60 percentage for 1 year and a detailed review of that stock. So let's get in and see and get started. Okay, so it is none other than Indraprasta gas. So this was founded in the year 1998, having its headquarters in New Delhi, and which belongs to the oil and natural gas sector. So what does Indraprasta gas do? They are India's largest natural gas suppliers for cooking and vehicle purpose. So basically, they are the suppliers of gas in Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, and neighboring cities in Delhi and surroundings. So this is one of the largest and leading fuel and gas suppliers in India. So we look into the net profit of this company. So in June 2019 quarter, it was 211 crores, whereas in September it has increased a lot to 373.39 crores. And sales in June 2019 quarter, it was 1576.2 crores, whereas for September it has been increased to 1692.45 crores. We're looking to the stock details of Indraprasta Gas Company. So the NSE code is IGL, whereas the BSE code is 532514. The PE is 28, whereas the industry PE is 40. So you all can see the company PE is less when compared to the industry PE. The 52-week low is 241, whereas the high is 438. The face value is 2. The TTM EPS is 14.61. The PB is 7 and the ROCE is 29.58. We'll look into the shareholdings of IGL. It is shortly called as IGL. So this company's shareholding pattern, the Indian promoters are 45%, domestic institutional investors, which are DII, hold 20%, foreign institutional investors, which are FII, hold 23%, and others like mutual fund and like retail investors, all of them hold 10.29%. So this is the shareholding pattern of IGL, which is Indraprasta Gas Limited. We're looking to the mutual fund investment into the stock. So totally 87 schemes or securities have invested into this stock or security. So amount totally invested by many schemes or mutual funds is 1948 crores, in which Kotak Standard Multicap has invested the maximum amount, which is 595 crores, but Sahara Power and Natural Resources holds the maximum weightage, which is 6.68 percentage. So now we'll check out the top 5 schemes of mutual funds holding this particular stock. So first one is Kotak Standard Multicap Fund, which has invested 594.9 crores. Second one is Sundaram Midcap Fund, which has invested 162 crores. Third is UTI Midcap Fund, which has invested 140 crores. Next is Axis Midcap Fund, which has invested 110 crores. And the fifth one in the list is Kotak Emerging Equity Growth Fund, which has invested 87 crores. So these are the top, 5 schemes which have invested in this stock. We look into the returns given by this stock over a period of 10 years. So this stock for 1 year, it has given us 60.37% of return, as I told you all in the beginning itself. For 3 years, it has given us a return of 37%. For 5 years, it has given us a return of 35%, and for 10 years, it has given us a return of 28%. So, y'all can see it has given us very, very good returns, because if at all we had invested, in any like RD or FD for a period of 10 years, we wouldn't have been getting this good returns. Just like investing in this for just 1 year would have given us a very good return of 60%. So, this is the reason I've been telling you all, opt for mutual fund and stock market investment if you all are seeing to invest rather than RD or FD. So, as I've been telling it to you all from the beginning, mutual fund and stock market investment should at least be for 5 years, minimum of 5 years. Then only we can yield good returns, and these returns are like for every 5 years we keep getting good returns. For 10 years, as long as we hold the stock or mutual fund or stay invested in it for a long time, the returns keeps increasing. And all this happens only when we choose a good stock, good performing stock, in its in its sector, in its business, in its the numbers should be good, the company should be good. So we have to check out a lot of parameters before we invest. So one such thing is this company which I have invested, and would that is the reason I have made this video in my wealth creating stocks list. So, as I've been telling you all, this is not a stock recommendation from my side. It is only to let you all know that regarding these good stocks, so that you all can do your research and then start investing. So please do your research and then start your investment. Um, as I always say, start thinking and happy investing.
Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.